Good morning, welcome back. 9 minutes after 6 o'clock, and it's just wonderful reading weather. Let me smiling. Andrea Masters, Library Director of the Pope Memorial Library,
Yes.
formerly North Conway Memorial Library. So what's up at the Pope?
Things are changing. As you said, we have a new name and we're moving along. We've been open for a while now, and we will be open even more very, very soon. After 4th of July weekend, we will expand our hours, be open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday.
Excellent.
And yeah, we're very, very thrilled about that. The problem, like with every other business in the Valley, is staffing. So there's a huge staffing shortage all over, and we're suffering from that too. So we will be open 6 days a week, but not, just check out our schedule at wait a second, we're different now. We have a new website. Exactly.
Yes.
And the URL is, I still have to get used to it, popelibrarynh.org. It's a little bit of a tongue twister, I've realized.
Right.
But we're getting there, so maybe Chris can put it on the bottom of the screen. Yes, so our new hours will be there, our whole COVID protocol, because the pandemic ain't over yet.
Right, that's true.
As much as we would like this to be. We still require masks in the building, but other than that, we're pretty much back to normal. So people can use our new meeting room, our conference room, the computers will be put up very soon, and yeah, back to normal, I think is the big theme of the summer, and for us as well.
And that also means book donations.
Yes, absolutely. We are taking book donations again. The big problem was during the pandemic, people were afraid that the books contain the virus, but they have figured out no, books really do not, or rather, it'll be gone in a couple hours. So we are taking donations again. The other big problem was construction. Our basement was packed with contractors and things. So we finally have our basement back and can accept your books, your gently used books in excellent shape, please. DVDs, music CDs, any kind of CDs. Yeah.
Yes,
so
yes.
we're thrilled about that.
You don't want VHS.
Nope, those days are
cassettes,
over.
No, that's it.
8 tracks.
On a disc.
We got those donated a few years ago, a whole bag, which is quite a funny story. And we're like, oh my God, what are we going to do with this? But I couldn't say no to that person. Now I do say no at times. And it was the greatest thing because those were the days when we still had our yard sale, and a guy drove by in his old antique convertible that still had an 8-track player. So he grabbed the whole bag and was thrilled, and we were thrilled they were gone. But please, no VHS or cassette tapes anymore.
Now, fundraising donations for a nonprofit.
Big fundraiser.
You recently, well, that sort of is always going on. But you recently made out well during the New Hampshire Gives program.
Oh my God, we were thrilled. New Hampshire Gives is this 24-hour online fundraising marathon where you just go online and find a New Hampshire charity. Pretty much all the charities are on there, and then you donate to your favorite charities. And we must have been among quite a few of them because we raised a total of over $20,000. $10,000 was a matching grant from the Kaluri family. So anybody who donated money, the Kaluri family matched that 1-to-1, so it doubled your donation. And then New Hampshire Charitable Foundation also at certain times during those 24 hours, they also doubled it. So some donations became a triple donation. Giving $10 all of a sudden was $30. Giving $100, we had $300. So we made over $20,000. Big thank you to the Kaluri family, yes. And it makes me personally feel good that we do have a following. We need the following. As many as you know, and many of you know, we are a privately funded library. We get no money from the town, the state, or the federal government. So we rely heavily on donations and fundraisers. Yes.
That's funny because a lot of times when you go into a library and library director, at least, it's all about the Dewey Decimal System, and where can I find the latest Stephen King novel or something like that. But it's a lot. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes work that people might not know about or appreciate that is done because Right, making those grant proposals and
Yes.
stuff. That's the full-time job.
Yeah, it feels like it. Just these days, I'm writing grants almost every day. It's pretty brutal, and I'm done. But no, it keeps on going. But luckily, the money keeps rolling. Although there are grants, I just got a grant proposal that was just diminished by, no, you're not going to get any money from us. And those are the sad moments. But yes, thanks for pointing out there is the public conception that I sit in my office all day and read books. No, it ain't so. I do work. Right now it's a 60-hour-a-week job, which is down from 80 hours during construction, but soon we are expanding our staff, so I will get an assistant director. And yes, check out the library. A lot of things are happening there, the Pope Memorial Library.
Right, so the new website, and also do you have any openings on your board of directors by any chance?
Always. We always love to get new directors, or just, it's a working board, so be aware of that. We would like you to do some things because I'm doing a lot, I can't do it all, and my directors do a lot of work, and they're fantastic.
Excellent. Well, Andrea, thank you very much for stopping by this morning. And don't forget Pope Memorial Library right here on Main Street in North Conway. Check it out. And they're always looking for donations.
Yes.
We'll be back after this.